Alright guys, welcome to Comic Con. Yeah, great. We're just only joking guys, it's in there. They killed it. Yo Doffy, what's going on?
What's up,
man?
You can get the figurines. Look at the figurines. So, these guys take this game serious. Trust me.
No joke. Whenever a riot starts, because a Yu-Gi-Oh card game went wrong, I'm telling you. Yep, on the way to Comic Con. It's not even called Comic Con, it's MCN Anime Conventional. MCN, what's it called? MCM. We're going to see a place where there's anime and computer games, that's all I know. Yeah, that's where we're going. So this is going to be the journey. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, then subscribe anyway. You know, nothing wrong with that. At the train station now. Gonna go to Old Street, then from Old Street, I can't remember, but we're gonna find our way and make our way. And yeah, I'm just gonna capture as much of the journey as possible so you can just see the way that we connect from different transportation service to service to get to our destination. Then I'll show you a little bit of what we're actually going to go do and what happens in the events and all this other stuff. And then after that, on the way back home, I want to capture as much as possible. You know, I'm trying to stay present as well. You know, I want to enjoy the moment, but at the same time, I don't mind sharing it with you guys. So yeah, that's what's going on.
This station is
it needs to be, where are we? Old Street, Moorgate Bank. On that train to Beckton and get off at Custom House, and it's right in there. A tram, yeah. I don't know what DLR stands for. What does DLR stand for? Direct Line Rail? Deliver? Deliver, yeah. It's deliver. It's an acronym for deliver. Deliver. Yeah, laugh out loud is low. DLL stands for deliver. Deliver. No, seriously, what does DLL stand for? It's hot, man. I don't even know where I am right now. If I was to come to this thing, yeah, dressed up, yeah, like literally, yeah, what should I be for real? Zorro.
You was already pissed.
True.
And I drew
You actually drew me a Zorro.
Yeah.
Alright, I promise, yeah, if we come to one next summer, I'll do it, I promise. Yeah, promise, I promise. That's my new name still.
Oh, was you getting a haircut?
Alright guys, welcome to Comic Con. Yeah, great. Yeah, only joking guys, it's in there. It's in there, it's in there. Thought we'd just come down to sit down in the hall. Yeah, that's what we did, yeah? Alright, well we didn't. We better than that. We better than that. because we've been traveling for ages. What time did we leave, Nana?
11.
We left at 11. What time is it, Nana?
143.
123. 143. Wow. This is disgusting. So this is the food in the food area, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go in the thick. Yeah, let's go. It's called, this area is called Side Quest. That's sick. Dressed as? He's dressed up as a Game & Watch. He looks like Game & Watch with clothes on.
You can get the figurines. This is where the figurines are. Man, there's figurines.
These guys take this game serious. Trust me. No joke. Whenever a riot starts, it's because a Yu-Gi-Oh card game went wrong. I'm telling you. Yes, Batman. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Heroes in a Half Shell. Oh, what the hell is that? They killed it. Flamingo. Yo, Doffy, what's going on?
What's up,
That's
man?
it. Can I, please get a picture with you, please?
Yeah.
Take a picture. I'll take a
I was in
picture.
a red suit earlier.
Oh, yeah?
Only to realise I forgot the shirt, so I had to change out. So I had to go all back to the hotel. Just
Wicked, man.
just wait
Wicked,
to see
wicked.
ya.
Boom.
Have a nice day.
He killed it. I needed that. I needed that. I needed that.
He did the finger thing.
What?
The string thing. Look.
Nah, Doffy killed it. Yo. He's one. Doffy. Oh my god. Doffy, you man. Oh. Don't want none of Doffy. Oh no, that's to me, that's the best one. That's the best one. He won for me. Doffy won. Doffy won. I'm telling you. Baby. Overgrown. National law. And there you have it, guys. The end of this vlog. The end of Comic-Con 2022. The MCM version. And it was a great time. As you can see. Loads of different cosplayers. Loads of different events. Loads of different people, a very, very, very big turnout. One of the best I've seen. I've been to quite a few. This is the second time I've been to that specific one, but I've been to quite a few. But yeah, listen, all round it was great. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please check the channel. And for any more travel vlog type stuff. And thank you. Signing off.